What's going on YouTube? It's JB back with another video. So as you can see on the table today, I've got my GLA by GL Racing. It's a 127th, 128 scale RC car, and it doesn't look like your traditional mini Z car, which is generally what you see with this scale. This is looks more like a traditional RC car. You can see it's got a Lexane body on it. I've had this car for a while. I put it together, I started playing around with it, and just wasn't happy with the way it was running. I upgraded a few things that have made a huge difference. I wanted to share with you guys while I try to dial this thing in and get it ready to where I can get it on the track over at Remnant without being in the way. So one of the first things I upgraded was the steering servo. XRX came out with a full Metal Gear servo. Steering really feels great with the servo. The other thing I upgraded that made it a huge difference was the receiver unit. The receiver I had in there before, I didn't like the feel of it. I'd go to hit reverse and I'd have to hit it several times to get it to pick up, and I just didn't feel like I had a good connection with it. But this one, ever since I put it in and paired it, it's been great. I've had no issues with it. The response is great. It's an ASF receiver unit that I picked up, and I'm really happy with that. You can see it runs on LiPo. What I'm running on LiPos is the Nanotech. It's a 2S battery, 300 milliamp, 35 to 70C discharge. Really good batteries, and they fit perfect in here. They've got the right connector on it. I think they're like $4 or $5, and it's pretty much just plug and play. Not sure that the milliamps is going to get me through an 8 to 10 minute race, but we're going to find out, I guess. So got that in there. Now that I can do some testing, I can see if these batteries are actually the ones I should be using, or if I should look for a little longer run time battery. I've got a GL Racing 6800 kV motor in there, which is probably entirely too much motor, but that's what I have. So I'm also running the GL all-wheel drive wheels, which I really like. I just picked up 3 more sets of the 3 offset for my 2-wheel drive cars. I just love the wheels. I did get one part in that I'm going to install today, which is the aluminum steering knuckles. Picked those up. Wanted to get a little more strength up front. And for me, being in the walls as much as I am, I want to get as much strength as I can. So I'm going to replace those steering knuckles with those aluminum ones, and we're going to see how it does. So let's get started. Alright, so we got the aluminum steering knuckles installed. Everything popped back together just as I thought it would. Very easy install. Not too difficult. But if you notice the drive shafts that I have up front, those are actually an optional part. I forgot to mention I upgraded that. It's called the double jointed drive shaft. So got those installed on here as well. Forgot to mention that upgrade. But overall, looking forward to getting this back on the track. Just wanted to bring you guys another 127th, 128 scale option. And a lot of guys are running these, so nothing new, but fairly new to me. So just wanted to show you guys what I was working on. All right, YouTube, we'll catch you next time. See ya.